Advanced List and Dictionary Examples, created by Joseph C. Richardson, GitHub.com. Please note, these list and dictionary examples don't have any comments, other than these 7 comments only. However, I will be adding lots of comments to these advanced list and dictionary examples when I update my Python book, Python Programmer's Glossary Bible. Until then, experiment with these list and dictionary examples. Subscribe if you like this video, and my channel content about Python programming in general. I am almost a complete walking human computer science research laboratory machine, or 2X.